Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech X Trailers where we dive into the latest tech without breaking the bank. Today, we're unboxing something super exciting, the UMIDIGI G5. Stick around to see if this phone can really punch above its weight in the budget smartphone ring. Right out of the box, the UMIDIGI G5 is throwing some heavy specs. We're talking 8 gigs of RAM with an additional 8 gigs of extended RAM and a whopping 128 GB of internal storage. And guess what? You can bump that up with a 1 TB TF card. First up, this display is a stunner. A 6.6-inch HD Plus screen with a 90 Hz refresh rate. That means smooth scrolling and crisp visuals that are easy on the eyes. And the cameras? Prepare to be impressed. The dual setup with a 50MP main camera is all about capturing your world in ultra-clear detail. Whether you're snapping pics or shooting videos at 1080p, this phone is ready to flex its photography muscles. Under the hood, the UMIDIGI G5 is powered by the UNISOC T606 processor. Not just any processor, but one built on the efficient 12nm process. Plus, it's got a battery life that won't quit thanks to its 5000 mAh capacity and 10W fast charging. And for my multitaskers and binge watchers, Android 13 is on board to keep everything smooth and snappy. Not to forget, this bad boy has got dual SIM slots plus all the connectivity you need: LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and even FM radio when you plug in your headphones. Security-wise, we're all set with a side fingerprint sensor and AI face unlock. Fast, reliable, and hey, keeps all your secrets safe. So, who's this phone for? If you want flagship features without that flagship price, the UMIDIGI G5 might just be your next phone. Whether you're gaming, snapping, or streaming, it's geared up to handle your daily digital life without a hitch. Alright, that's it for today's review. If you're considering the UMIDIGI G5 or just enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more tech tips and reviews. Drop your questions and thoughts below. I'd love to hear what you think. Until next time, stay savvy and keep teching.